Hello and welcome to our channel, your go-to destination for all things health and wellness. If you're on a journey to shed some extra pounds and get in shape, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're going to reveal 15 incredibly effective foods that can help you cut weight fast. So let's get started. Number 1, nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds, in moderation, are packed with healthy fats and protein. They keep you feeling full and satisfied. Number 2, Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a rich source of protein and probiotics, which can help with digestion and support your weight loss goals. Number 3, eggs. Eggs are a great source of protein and can help reduce calorie intake throughout the day. Number 4, avocado. Avocado is a healthy source of monounsaturated fats, which can keep you feeling full and satisfied. Number 5, legumes. Legumes like beans and lentils are packed with protein and fiber, making them excellent for weight management. Number 6, lean meats. Lean meats such as lean beef or pork provide ample protein to help you feel full and reduce overall calorie consumption. Number 7, chia seeds. Chia seeds are a powerhouse of fiber and healthy fats. They can help control your appetite. Number 8, apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is believed to help with weight loss by promoting a feeling of fullness and reducing calorie intake. Number 9, coconut oil. Coconut oil contains medium-chain triglycerides that can boost metabolism and assist in weight loss. Number 10, spicy foods. Spicy foods like chili peppers contain capsaicin, which can boost metabolism and help with weight management. Number 11, water. Last but not least, never underestimate the power of water. Staying hydrated can help control your appetite and support overall well-being. Number 12, fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which not only promote weight loss, but also support overall heart health. Number 13, cinnamon. Cinnamon is a spice that can help regulate blood sugar levels, reducing cravings and keeping your appetite in check. Number 14, green tea. Green tea is packed with antioxidants and compounds like EGCG known to boost metabolism and facilitate fat burning. Number 15, sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are an excellent source of complex carbohydrates, fiber, and various vitamins, helping to control hunger and promote weight loss. These additional foods can enhance your weight loss journey when combined with a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to weight loss, so it's essential to find what works best for you. If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.